Question number 10, and the question says, which among the following statements are incorrect with reference to electoral system of India? 1. The Indian Parliament declares that the validity of any law relating to the delimitation of constituencies cannot be questioned in any court. The second statement is, delimitation Commissioner's order cannot be challenged in any court. 3. The state legislature's laws can override parliamentary laws with respect to all matters relating to election to the state legislature. Here in this question we have to choose the incorrect statements. So, statement 1 is an incorrect statement. The Indian Constitution and not the Indian Parliament declares that the validity of any law relating to the delimitation of constituencies or allotment of seats to such constituencies cannot be questioned in any court. Statement 2 is a correct statement, while statement 3 is a wrong statement. The state legislature's laws cannot override parliamentary laws with respect to all matters relating to election to the state legislature. The state legislature can make provisions for only those matters which are not covered under the parliament. Thus, here statement 1 and 3 are incorrect, while statement 2 is a correct statement. As we have to choose the incorrect statement, so our answer will be option A, 1 and 3 only. With that, let's move on to the next question.